Alright guys, check this out. So if you go to YouTube and you type in a long tail keyword, like for example, makeup tutorial for beginners, and say you were in the makeup niche and you wanted to make a video on this topic, then what you want to do is you click filter and you go to this week, and then you go back into filter and you go to view count. Now what you're getting is videos that are ones that are made this week that are getting a lot of views. And if you're using a tool like vidIQ, then what vidIQ will do is it will show you how many subscribers these various channels have. Now here's the thing, you can click on each one of these channels and see their subscriber count, but vidIQ just makes this a lot easier. And what you're doing is you're looking for channels that don't have a lot of subscribers, but are getting a lot of views. And so if we scroll down here a little and we just kind of look at what's going on, we're going to be looking for videos like this one, for example, where we have a small YouTuber that only has 169 subscribers, but is getting almost 5,000 views to their video. So if you watch this video and you make the same type of video, but you do a better job where you film your video better, you have a better thumbnail, a better title, you're going to get a lot more views than even this person. And you can do this even as a brand new YouTuber without a single subscriber and get tons of views to your channel. So the next thing that you can do if you want to make videos that are going to get a lot of views is you bring up Google and say you're in the cooking niche. You could type in cooking news. Now, all of these different search results that are coming up are the latest news in the cooking area. And if you were to set up a Google alert to let you know of the latest cooking news, and you were to frequently look here, you could get topics for videos where there is literally no competition, which makes it a lot more likely that your video is going to stand out because there's a lot of people interested in that topic, but there's not a lot of videos made on that topic. So this can be a great resource for getting video ideas that will blow up for your channel. Now, what you can also do is to go to your favorite news provider, such as Fox News, for example, and if you see over here, there is the More tab. So if you click on this, you'll see all these more specific areas for news. Now, all you need to do is find the area that is your niche, say for example, video games, and when you click on that, you are getting the recent news in the gaming area. And all of these articles present a great opportunity for a topic for a video because this news is trending right now. So there's a lot of interest in it, but then there's not a lot of competition. So all you need to do is read one of these articles and make a video, and you should get a ton of views to your channel. And another thing you can do is, say for example that you're on other social media platforms like Twitter. If you get on Twitter, you could, for example, type in here Fortnite. And when this comes up, you can see that Fortnite has its own Fortnite Twitter account. And if you were to follow this, then when this account tweets, you're getting the latest Fortnite news, which means that these topics are going to have a lot of interest, but very little competition. And so if you were to make a video on one of these topics, you're setting yourself up to get a lot of views even as a brand new YouTuber. And literally Twitter is telling you what to make your videos on. So it sets you up to be more successful from the very beginning. And it's just a great way to not have to think about what to make your videos on because the topics are literally being handed to you. So another idea for you is to do a reaction video. So if you type in a long tail keyword, something that you want to make a video on, and you filter it in the same way that I showed you earlier, then what you're going to get is a lot of video ideas that are good for doing a reaction video. Now what you're looking for is a channel just like this one that doesn't have too many subscribers, but is getting a lot of views to their video. And then what you want to do is you want to make a video with the same title, except you'll put reaction video at the end. And then you'll want to use that channel name as one of your tags. And if you make the metadata for your video the same as the metadata for that video, then you should show up right below that video. And when that video is getting a lot of views, people will see your video as a reaction to it, and they will watch your video, which will also get you a lot of views. It's kind of a way to siphon off some views from a video that's performing well to help your channel grow. But here's the thing, you need to make sure that the creator that you pick to do this is not way bigger than you, because if they are, there's going to be too much competition. So this channel, for example, is in the same niche as myself, and so this video is a really great example of a video that I should do a reaction video on, because then I could get more views going to my channel. So another thing that you can do is you go to your channel, and when your channel pops up, if you go to the videos tab and you click sort by and you put most popular, then these videos are the ones on your channel that are getting the most views and are performing the best on your channel. And basically what this tells you is these are topics that you might want to make another video on, because people in your audience, they were resonating with your message, or some way that you made the video made it perform really well. And so if you look at these, you can draw conclusions. Like for example, my watch time video got a lot of suggested traffic. And I think this was because people were re-watching it because there were so many tips in it. And my collaboration videos tend to do really well because people share the video. So it gets a lot of views that way. And these videos, for example, right here, they ranked really well. So that was getting a lot of views. And, this one got a lot of views because it got shared by Brian G. Johnson. So these different videos, they can give you insights as to what to make other videos on. Like, I think a lot of people want to know how to do a shout out because this one is getting a lot of views, and people want views, which is a great topic to make videos on. So all of this gives you insights. And what you want to do is you also want to go to other channels that you consider to be your competition. So for example, Nick Nimmin is a major creator in my niche. And if you go to his channel and you go to the videos tab and you click sort by most popular, these videos are the most popular ones on his channel. And these could potentially be inspiration for myself as to what topics to make videos on and maybe how to make videos. And so if you were to watch these videos, you would be set up to have ideas for making your own videos that might get you a ton of views to your channel. Now, the next thing that you need to think about is your channel layout. Now, this channel right here is a great example of a channel that has a very cohesive and visually appealing layout. See, you have this awesome custom channel banner. You've got a custom channel icon that matches the banner. And then all of the thumbnails follow a cohesive and consistent theme. Now, this is pretty hard to do as a new YouTuber, and this is actually an area that I need to improve on my channel. But the thing is, if you do this, you're going to be a lot more likely to get a lot of views and to get people to subscribe to your channel, because it looks like you have all of your stuff together. And it makes your content more bingeable. And so if you can do everything you can to try to establish what your theme is on your channel and what your style is, you're going to be a lot more likely to get views, because people will watch video after video after video because they know they're going to have the same experience across your videos. So this is just a great way to help your channel grow and to get you those views that you need. Now, another thing that you can do is if you go to your YouTube studio, if you go to your content tab, now pick a video, and when you click on it, over here you're going to have your end screens. Now, we all know what an end screen is and that these are elements that get people to watch another video. But here's the thing. Did you ever think about the fact that you can resize these elements like that to make them bigger? If you are interested in getting more views to a particular video, you can remove these other elements and just resize one of the elements so that that video is right there. It's the only one to watch, and it will get a lot more views to that particular video. Or you can just have multiple end screen elements, which will get people to have more than one choice of other videos to watch. But the whole idea is to get people watching more videos so that you can get more views to your channel. And if you use this, this is a great way to keep views coming in and keep people on your channel. Alright, so my last tip for you is at the end of the video, you want to do everything you possibly can to get people to watch another video. So for example, this video right here is ranking really well in search and is bringing views consistently to my channel. And that's because this video is done really well and it has really good information. And if you want more views, this would be a great video to watch at the end of this video. Or you could watch this one, which is super interesting because I actually share a strategy with you that helps you get more views to your channel by adding something else to your channel. And this video is also really engaging because I eat chili peppers in the video. So if you would do me a favor, at the end of this video, would you click one of the end screens and watch another video? Because this will send really strong signals to YouTube that people are enjoying my content. And another thing that you can do is to try to get people to share your videos. So for example, if you wanted to share my video, all you'd have to do is right click on it and you could copy the link address. And when you get that link, if you were to share it on, say, your social media, that's going to send a strong signal to YouTube that you valued this video. See, here's the thing. If you show YouTube that not only did you like the video, but that you liked it so much that you were willing to share it on your social media, then that's going to tell YouTube that this video must be amazing. And so please consider doing that so that it will send the right signals to YouTube and this video can get boosted out to more people.